In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password in Hostinger. If you need to set up a password for your Hostinger account, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and by the end, your password will be added and your account access will be more secure. To begin, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're logged in to the dashboard. Once you're inside, look for your profile area. This is usually located in the top section of the screen, where you can access your personal account settings. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the available options. After that, find and select Account Information. This section contains the main details connected to your Hostinger account, including login and security settings. If you're looking to manage how you sign in, this is the right place to be. Inside the Account Information section, look for the option that says Add Password and click on it. This option is typically used when you want to create a password for your account, especially if your account was originally created using another sign-in method. Opening this section will take you to the form where you can set everything up. Now, enter your email address in the required field. Be sure to type it carefully so it matches the account you're currently using. This helps Hostinger connect the new password to the correct login details. Next, enter your new password. Choose something strong and secure, ideally a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A stronger password helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've entered the new password, type it again in the confirmation field. This second entry is important because it ensures there are no typing mistakes. Before moving forward, take a quick moment to review what you entered. Make sure the email is correct and that both password fields match exactly. Even a small difference, like an extra space or the wrong letter case, can prevent the password from being accepted. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. After that, your new password should be added successfully. From then on, you'll be able to use that password to sign into your Hostinger account, and that's it. As a final tip, store your password somewhere safe, such as a trusted password manager, so you don't lose access later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.